I hope it's a certificate for $1,000. Oh my goodness. That's me!
It is you.
The family of Erika Nocha invites you to join us in celebrating Saturday, January the 10th at 2 to 4. No.
Yes.
No, you're not kidding.
Not kidding.
No, who's going to be there?
We don't know.
You gotta be kidding.
Not kidding.
And you sent this out?
Yes.
Did you hear Sandra?
Huh?
Surprise.
Say it again, Sandra.
Now that is a surprise.
Are you surprised? Happy?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
And you thought we didn't care.
I'm getting a video.
No.
I tried as many as I could. I
No.
gotta make some more phone calls.
No.
Look,
I mailed all the German club cards because Anka faxed the list to me.
You didn't.
yes.
But everybody else, I gotta make a few more calls tonight because I didn't have your DAV, I didn't have your Widows Club,
The best is the NCO Club.
or the
Oh, I
NCO
guess I
Club,
can
yeah.
stop recording
The
now.
Widows Club.